Welcome to Tesla Vision. Today we will talk about the most recent Tesla news and updates. Let's get into it right away. There are a ton of factors to consider before purchasing an electric car. Vehicle specs, traveling range, price, charging infrastructure availability, vehicle maker, to name just a few. While the aforementioned factors do influence one's decision to buy an electric car, the rising fuel costs are also an apparent factor for potential buyers when they are deciding to buy an EV, according to a recent survey by AAA. March 2021 survey conducted by AAA shows that recent gas shortage inevitably led to an increase in decisions to purchase an electric vehicle, and the top brand EV enthusiasts are looking at is none other than Tesla, the undisputed leader of the electric vehicle revolution. The United States was recently hit hard by a gas crisis after the Colonial Pipeline went off due to a cyber attack. The disruptions to Colonial Pipeline triggered the national gas price average hike of 7 cents, resulting in numerous ICE owners buying large quantities of the commodity in panic. The situation was even worse as the average gas prices hit the $3.02 mark within a week, the highest average price since October 2014. Though the Colonial Pipeline operations have resumed, the AAA noted that this would not be the last time gas prices spike in the United States, which means that the national average will probably experience more fluctuations in the forthcoming days. Rising gas prices could drive more consumers to purchase electric cars. A Forbes article citing a survey conducted in March 2021 by CarGurus noted that the percentage of those who would consider purchasing an EV rises as the gas prices rise. What does that imply? Actually, as the gas becomes costlier, more car buyers consider buying an electric vehicle as their next car. Rising gas prices would be especially influential for those on the fence who possibly would own an EV in the next decade, CarGurus stated through the Electric Vehicle Sentiment Survey United States. Per CarGurus survey, 26% of the respondents considered purchasing an EV if the gas prices rose to $4 per gallon. In addition, at $5 per gallon, the percentage of those willing to acquire an EV jumped to 57%. The figures just go up from there. Interestingly enough, the survey also found that many consumers rank Tesla as their most preferred choice for electric cars. Tesla continues to be the most trusted brand to develop EVs, and that lead has grown, CarGurus stated. Tesla topped the list of top 10 brands of EVs that buyers considered purchasing, garnering about 57% in front of Toyota, which came in second at 52%. Brands that didn't even make it to the top 10 list include Lucid Motors, Mercedes-Benz, Google, Rivian, Ram, Volkswagen, and Volvo. Another survey's question was about the brand of electric vehicle the respondents would trust most to develop an EV. The answer to this question was, obviously, Tesla. The US-based automaker took the first spot at 36%, followed by Toyota at 14% and Honda at 8%. That being said, at least 80% of those interested in electric vehicles noted that they were open to several other manufacturers like Ford, Volkswagen, and Toyota, which are now starting to roll out their own EVs. The survey also noted that SUVs or crossovers are the types of EVs that are most likely to be considered, although few are available today. With regards to the most loved electric pickup trucks, the Tesla Cybertruck emerged as a winner, beating the Hummer EV and the Ford F-150 EV. Even after the US President Joe Biden seemed to have given the Ford F-150 Lightning too much credit after he recently took it for a test drive in Michigan, the Cybertruck proved to get a ton of attention among the respondents who were most likely to adopt EVs. As per the survey, 40% of the respondents said that they were interested in the Tesla Cybertruck. 40% is nothing short of extraordinary for an angular, brutalist steel truck, considering that 32% and 17% of the respondents were interested in the Ford F-150 Lightning and the Hummer EV respectively. The Tesla Cybertruck may be contentious due to its bizarre appearance and the fact that it is built by a company that has not ever produced a heavy-duty truck in the past, but its potential is vast. Since it was rolled out in 2019, the Cybertruck has become an icon of sorts, with trucks proving very popular online. This was confirmed by the truck's demand, which Elon Musk noted is beyond the company's expectations. Finally, the survey had some great pieces of advice and recommendations for the dealerships on how to boost their sales of EVs. These recommendations reflect on the fact that some employees and dealerships have unlimited knowledge about electric cars. Surprisingly, most of the recommendations stated by the survey are similar to what Tesla had been implementing to boost its own sales. For instance, the survey required dealerships to start investing in EV technologies. This is something that Tesla has already done. The automaker has heavily invested in EV technologies by rolling out features that assist its drivers in autopilot and self-driving, for instance. The survey also suggested the implementation of charging stations. Tesla has equipped its service base with supercharging infrastructure to handle its EVs properly. The study indicated that electric vehicles are a great opportunity for the auto industry and that more than half of buyers are aspiring to get one within the next decade. CarGurus noted that 65% of buyers would be much more likely to consider an electric vehicle if more charging infrastructure were readily available in their areas. This seemed to be another big win for Tesla, as the company's mission has always been to build more charging stations to speed up EV adoption. Today, a large number of owners use their EVs as everyday cars. Therefore, charging infrastructure is as crucial as gas stations. The current EV market leader is Tesla in both reputation and purchase consideration. Tesla has always had the capability to grab the attention of the media, despite the fact that it does not rely on PR. The secret for the automaker's popularity in the just concluded survey by AAA is the quality of its products, like EVs, and its advanced technology, such as autopilot and full self-driving beta software. Meanwhile, Tesla CEO Elon Musk has called upon suppliers to double their efforts to deliver the company's next-gen Model Y from Gigafactory Berlin. Musk's plea to Tesla suppliers came following his visit to the project site over the weekend. "Giga Berlin suppliers, please accelerate," Musk tweeted. CEO Elon Musk's tweet indicates that Tesla is aiming to refine the manufacturing processes for its Model Y build down to microns of accuracy. In other words, the company is committed to making vehicles with the highest precision, about 1/1000th of a millimeter. Tesla has in the past been pummeled for manufacturing flaws with some of its cars. Some Tesla owners have pointed out issues with paint quality and panel gaps, something which has led to the overwhelming fallacy that the company produces defective vehicles. Germany is renowned for having the best machines and the most advanced processes for building luxurious and high-quality vehicles. Tesla plans to adopt the German engineering culture at Giga Berlin. From a new world-class paint plant to some of the most precise automated machinery on the planet, the American car maker is making an effort to keep pace with Germany's most luxurious brands like Mercedes-Benz, Audi, and BMW. During a media briefing at the facility, Musk lamented the German bureaucracy, which has yet to grant the automaker the green light to start the production. He, however, thanked Jörg Steinbach, Brandenburg minister, for supporting Tesla's Gigafactory Berlin. Mr. Musk said that he was hopeful that production would be starting toward the end of the year, which is about 5 months behind the schedule. The facility was initially slated to begin the production this summer. According to Tesla, the next generation Model Y that will be built at Gigafactory Berlin and Gigafactory Texas will come equipped with a 4680 battery cell and used structural battery pack that was unveiled last year during the company's Battery Day event. The company is also expected to bring other new improvements, such as a full front casting part for the car. Make sure to check out one of the videos shown on your screen right now. We post videos daily, so feel free to subscribe and stay up to date on all most recent news and updates.